We've just been looking at it. Okay, so any questions from anything, or do we just want to move into the group quiz?
Yeah, I'm pretty okay. Because it seems like we just got one equation. That was it.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty simple. Okay.
Has how many planes of motion?
Is everyone there?
Yeah.
Okay. Question 3. In a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? And I was thinking each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the portion of total occupied by the category.
Yep. Because there's like the different pie slices are just each of the like blue, green, whatever, the categories, but then how many blues there are to determine how big it is.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, question 4. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related? I think the last one. The only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart is that the bars in a Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest, going from left to right.
Perfect. I agree.
Okay. Use the following information to make a question. Okay, I'm not going to read that whole thing. So question 5. The true proportion of this. I think the hat is
I can't hear you, Caitlin.
Yeah, you keep cutting out.
Sorry, it's the true proportion.
That's what I think. Question 6. What is N? And I think it's the sample size.
Yep. Okay, question 7. If p equals 1, 4, what is the smallest sample size that satisfies the requirement? This is where we plug it into the equation.
Yeah.
And is this based on the last one?
It's this 2 equation, right?
Yeah.
I was just working on this one, and I don't know how to do it. Do you put both of those equations equal to each other?
Lateral rotation, adduction.
I don't think so.
I don't think you can with the way it's set up.
These are all what type of joint?
Because p is like 1 divided by 4. No, 1, 4.
Extension really hard. Where are you trying to feel where? But yeah, it's kind of like yeah, this is all right here. Now we're going to
Depends on which equation you use. So I got different answers.
Yeah, I guess the smallest would mean that both of them have to be it. So it'd be the. I actually think I did it right, but I was confused.
What'd you get?
The MCPs, they are convoluted.
Okay, so it's both of those, and it has to apply to both of those. Be greater than or equal, and the lowest for the bottom one.
Yeah, so like all
Remember
of those are the same.
It's weird, but it's 13.333.
13 and a third, that's what I got as well.
Yeah.
And the other time is 30. That is, I think it'll be good.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Let me just double check mine quick.
My password of that. Let's just talk about this. Right. Let's just talk about it.
Oh, I got the same thing. Woo! See? I must be right. Okay. My turn. Use following information to answer the next two questions. Suppose sample size is 24 and is 0.4. What is the mean? And this should just be the 0.4.
Yeah.
0.4. That's what I think as well.
Woo!
Okay. Number 9. What's the standard deviation of p hat?
What's the R for kinematic structure?
I think I have that one right just because it says round answer to the 10th place. And I got an answer that's in the 10th place.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the
Oh, I got mine. Yep. You say 0.1?
Yeah.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Oh, really? I'm from Vermont. Yes. So I'm just moving this. Yeah, usually when we try to.
Okay. I have a question on this one. On question 10.
Okay.
What is X?
That's what I was trying to figure out too. Is X P? I don't know.
Let's look it up. Yeah, because I saw that and I was like, oh, that's so easy. That formula is really easy.
It's like yeah. So it's perfect. So that's just like a little bit of like this is about the end why it's
No, it's 35.
Oh, because that's the number they're giving you. Like, what? Sample is 100, P is 0.3, but then the number they give you is 35.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the like number over the sample size. Is X.
So dissociate.
.35.
Yep.
Yahoo!
Yeah, 0.35. And 13, what is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits on her 100?
Whoa.
I think we need to do
I think
11 and 12.
Okay, I was like, I don't know what happened. Okay.
I feel like I'm going way too fast. Hold on. Going back to number 12.
Did you already do 11?
Because that was, hold on. Because P, isn't that just the 0.3? From like what we did in the last one?
For 11?
It's not standard deviation.
No, we have to do standard deviation, so we have to do that big formula.
Yeah, because P is 0.3 and is, hold on.
I have an answer for 11, but we just haven't talked about 11 or 12 yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I haven't done it quite yet.
And I still need to do 12. I think it's already 12.
And the radio disc, that the disc of method of radius and hearing up
Hat P minus P over
So what about one question? So use disc.
Okay. Did everyone get 11?
Yeah.
Okay. I got 0.046.
Yeah, me too.
Yep. Good. And then the next one's the z-score. So
I'm working diligently.
we're good.
Yeah, keepsakes. Just pretend. I know that's not acid. I know that's not.
Oh, the bottom part of that section is 0.046, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes everything just works out. One.
Does everybody have an answer for that?
Heck yeah.
Yep.
Okay, I got 1.091.
What the?
Woohoo!
I didn't get
Oh.
that.
Oh.
1.0. Did I just do something kind of wrong?
What did you put in your equation?
0.35 minus 0.3 over 0.046.
Yep.
Okay, let me do that. Because I did like the whole thing.
I did the, yeah, I separated it out further, but.
Yeah, let me see.
And then, look, my final answer is 1.08695. That's like really close.
So when I put in all the numbers, like the whole thing, then I got the 1.091. But if I just put in 0.046 at the bottom, then it turns out 1.086.
Oh, well.
So maybe if you try doing the whole thing, well, I'm going to do that again and see if it works.
I think they're probably both going to be acceptable answers because they're so close.
Mm-hmm.
So there's
0.09.
Yeah, I get the 1.091 when I like put in all the numbers, and it's complicated.
Okay. Well, I'm good with it.
Okay. Then question 13, what is the probability that Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her 100 at-bats?
That's normal probability applet, right?
Yeah. And then we shade everything to the right. And then we put in like the 1.091. And then,
Oh, I thought it was everything to the left.
oh, is it everything to the left?
I think it's
Oh.
at least 35 minutes.
Oh, you're right. True.
I'm not sure. I always mess up.
Actually, oh wait, well, it's totally the same thing. Like the same number if you do the left or the right, but it's probably to the left.
Okay.
And then I got 0.1376, or since we're doing only 3, 0.138.
0.138.
I got 0.862.
Whoa.
Oh, because it would be everything left. Oh, yeah.
Oh, like everything from the left of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like the middle portion. Okay, 0.862.
0.862.
Okay.
It all makes sense.
So why do you do the middle part as well?
So
Because
the Z-score is like 35%, right?
Yeah.
So if she gets any, she's getting. Wait, no, now I'm confusing myself. I don't.
Oh no, oh good. I'm just like, I want to understand.
So that Z-score is, at least. Wait a minute.
So then that will be 35. So it will be greater. You're right, Rachel. I'm sorry.
Oh, good. I'm like, so because I was thinking maybe if it's like less than 50%, it would be on the right, and then more than 50% would be on the left. But then I was like, well, what is that actually? I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out what it actually means.
No, so you got 0.138?
Yeah.
And if it's totally wrong, then I.
No,
No, after I talked about it, I was like, wait, no, I'm wrong. I'm definitely wrong.
Because in like percentages, would it be everything like positive would be on the right? I'm just trying to understand. And then, like if it was like a negative percentage, then it would be on the left. No.
I don't know.
I don't really know either, but all right, I will be all right. We'll just, if this turns out to be right, then I'll just say, yep, I'm just gonna do that every time.
Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, is that me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Question 4.
The true proportion people. Okay. Your support of political candidate is P equals 0.52. If N equals 2,000 people are serving, we want to determine the probability that the results of the candidate is losing the election for less than 50%. So what's the standard deviation? That's a lot of information.
Would we have to find, oh no, okay.
It's just standard deviation, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Over. Ah!
Did everyone get an answer? Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Was that a good thing, Taylor, or a bad thing?
It must, I don't know. I got like 0.0001248.
Oh, what?
Okay, I'll do it again.
Okay.
Dang it, I keep getting the same thing. What am I doing wrong?
That's right.
What did you get, Rachel?
I got 0.011.
That's what I got.
Well, yeah.
So
So like
I know
for
that
the equation, I put.
Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, okay. I see what
Oh,
I'm doing wrong. Well, maybe not, but
whatever
that's
that is.
what I haven't done yet. Okay, I got 0.011.
Oh, okay.
I was forgetting the last step to find the square root.
And then what z-score would we use?
Bleh.
Yeah, thanks.
So is our p hat 0.5?
Sure, because they didn't give us like a number, a variable to work with, like x.
Just less than 50%. I guess.
Our p hat is what?
0.5?
That makes sense.
Oh, is that like, oh, okay, I get it. So they actually did give us the variable.
Yeah.
Whoa. I got a kind of big number.
I got a negative number.
Me too.
Well, I mean, big in the negatives.
Oh, okay. Let's make sure.
Yeah.
I got negative 1.818.
I got
Okay, yeah, no.
1.790. But I didn't round, so.
32.07.
Oh my gosh.
So, Caitlin,
Wait.
you put in everything, right? You started over?
Yep.
Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay, hold on. Doing this
Yeah,
again.
I'll do that.
I figured it out.
Yeah, your answer's right.
Thanks, Taylor. Okay, wait, I did it again and I corrected it. So is it negative 1.791? I mean, 0?
0? Yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, okay. I'm not crazy.
So I got, but what I don't understand is why it comes out different when you do the whole
Rounding?
thing as opposed to just putting in what you got. I guess just because it's already rounded. Would that be it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just stop being lazy. Okay, yeah, I got negative 1.790.
Okay, awesome. We'll see if it's correct.
And then we shade everything to the right of that one, like the middle and then the right side.
Will result in the candidate losing, even though the true.
That doesn't change anything, does it? 0.52.
What do we shade and why?
This is how I always lose points, so I am not sure.
Like on my notes, it says to shade to the right of the z-score that you get. That would be the right side of it, and then also the middle part.
0.963.
But I don't know if that's correct. Yeah, that seems really big. Okay, let me think about it. Because we're looking for the probability that he's losing.
Even though the population is 0.92, yeah.
Because that means he's 96% losing. Even though.
Or 3% losing, yeah. So it's, I don't know.
Or I mean, the probability will be like what? I got 0.963 for that probability.
I think that's what it is. As I'm looking at this, it doesn't say anything other than shade the area to the right of the value.
Yeah, I don't know. Should we try it?
Yeah.
See what happens?
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's submitting first?
I'll do it.
Haha.
Yeah, I did
Take one for the team.
I actually did the last one differently because I didn't think you guys were right. So.
That's okay. It's all good. Oh, because they got it wrong anyway. Dang it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was 0.037.
Oh, did you get that one right? Okay. Yeah. So my theory, don't listen to me. Bad idea.
Hey, but you had
and then
good
the other one we got.
So I got that number 7 wrong as well.
Yeah, what's that?
So would it be 4?
I got 7 wrong.
That was my other answer. I got 13 and a third and 40. So I don't know.
Why did we get that one wrong?
Hold on, because what are the requirements for this? Requirements. Oh, they have to be greater or equal to 10.
Yeah.
Or hold on. Oh.
Why is it not 13 and a third?
Wait. Oh, so it's like, what do we have to multiply by the 1 divided by 4 to get 10?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What's the lowest number?
Because we just divide 1 by 4, right? And we get 0.25.
Mm-hmm.
Right? That's what I worked with before.
Yeah. And then when you times that out, it's 40. If I'm remembering right.
Oh. Yep.
What you got as well?
Yeah. 0.25 times 40 is 10. Oh, I forgot that was a requirement. Yep.
Overall, not too bad. Pretty good about it.
Yeah. So then on the last one, it was just shading to the left instead of shading to the right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, so just based on like what we did for that one. Wait, I don't know if you already figured it out, but for the one that we entered 13 and a third, if you just do 13 and a third, you get 9.99975.
Oh.
So therefore, like, that's not the right answer.
So be careful of this. Might be useful to put you out. So be careful of this. Missing that
So I think you have to put, the answer might be 13.334.
I guess they went over this Friday and be like, here, I like really but I didn't understand. It's something 103.
Oh, because we were looking at the requirements, and do you remember when it had for the requirements those equations, like P has to be greater than 10, greater or equal to 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so it's asking what do we need to multiply by 1/4 or 0.25 to equal 10? Pretty much what it's asking.
Yeah. Yep, I agree. And so one of those you get 2.5, and that's not the correct answer either. And then the other equation, we get 13.3333333, but that doesn't equal 10 unless you change it to 13.334.
Yeah, so if we times 13.334 by 0.25.
Times 0.075, because it's the other equation.
Oh. Wait.
It's 1 minus 0.25.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
For the second equation.
Okay, wait, there's. Oh. Oh, okay. I need to work on the second equation.
So yeah, first equation, the answer is 2.5. If that was that, then that would be our answer. But the second equation, that's where we get the 13.333. 3333333. And so my guess is that the reason that we got that one wrong is because 13.333 doesn't equal.
It's just a little bit too small.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But that's just a guess. That's my best guess.
Oh, what?
This is going to deal with our rotation and some and allow us to not what's just going to happen in the transverse reflection. That's where all the work stuff is supposed to be. But then we're going to have because then right reflection allows us to do like narrower this to spin this. So that's the for the surface. The rest of factors, they are originally they have a wide. So one of my glasses are pretty straight like this. So circles like this. But these are like this. And lumbar. So this one that we have here, they're only really one of those. Because those have the articulation of the map. So I don't know why I always think when I think about facet, I feel like it's the face of the spine.
Yeah. Did you guys start it yet?
No.
So it's not 13.334. You're welcome.
Not?
So it's something. No, it's not.
What is it?
Do you think it's the 40 then?
It's what?
Yeah, the only other answer was 40.
Yeah, that's weird.
Concentration and volume. Yeah. What's the other section with the ligaments? I can study what's the other one? Got it. I'll just tell you. Make sure you know them for this test. It's in classic. So that was, yeah. Actually, I hated this. Yeah, but it's because I like taking my time. So make sure that you have these ligaments down.
Yeah, I'm good.
Me too.
Oh, yeah, it was 40.
Oh, did you try it? Oh, yeah. That's so weird. Okay, so we do like the first one. Where you multiply them together to equal 10. Okay, interesting.
Sounds good.
All right, well, I'll upload it.
Okay.
Guys,
All right, see you later.
see ya.